Once there was a farmer.
Once there was a farmer. He was an old man. He had 4 sons. They were very selfish. They always quarreled with one another. He was worried about his sons. He was on his deathbed. He wanted to teach them a lesson. He asked them to live in unity, but in vain. He asked his son to bring a bundle of sticks. He called his sons one by one and asked them to break the bundle. None could do that. Then he ordered his son to untie the bundle. Now each one of them could break the stick easily. He advised his sons
To live like a bundle of sticks in unity. If they quarreled, the people would harm them.
The sons promised to live united. The old farmer was happy on this change in his sons.
Moral: unity is strength.